It's 9:32 now. For young adults with a mental illness, finding help isn't easy. But in DeKalb County, a nonprofit called Chris 180 is working to change that by making all the resources a young person could need available in one place. Fox Medical Team's Beth Galvin is here now to talk about the program. Good morning, Beth.
And good morning, Elise. And this is really an integrative and I think innovative program. Chris 180 works with teenagers and young adults who are often homeless. Many of them are struggling with mental illness. And it offers them not just help, but a place to call home.
I've been doing good. I've been picking up my coding again.
Sir Dalvin Holloman is back in college. His life back on track.
This kid's a genius. Coding, IT, computers, technology.
But Holloman's road here to Chris 180, a private nonprofit behavioral health and counseling center for young adults in DeKalb County, has been a long one. It began at 19, his freshman year in college.
I would hear voices. I would hear different voices that would give me different commands.
One night at his parents' home,
I remember a voice telling me that you are not safe here. You need to leave right now at this moment.
So he panicked and ran.
I remember it started raining, and I remember taking my shoes off in the middle of the road, and I remember seeing a MARTA police car. I asked for help, and they took me to a mental hospital.
Holloman was diagnosed with schizophrenia, which forced him to leave college.
I was admitted in over 16 different mental health facilities in less than 2 years.
He was homeless when he found Chris 180, so they gave him a place to live and set him up with a therapist right around the corner.
I literally wake up, get out of bed, throw on some clothes, and walk less than a block to see my therapist.
And now, thanks to a partnership with Mercy Care, Holloman can also see a primary care provider at their new clinic for his acid reflux.
I'm currently taking medication to where I don't experience those same symptoms anymore, and that's life-changing.
And Brittany Walters says Chris 180 wants to break down barriers to make getting help easier.
We know people have to make choices. You know, people are trying to put food on their table, they're trying to keep their jobs, and so the goal of the integrated clinic is they don't have to make that choice. You know, they can come and talk with their doctor and then pop right around the corner and talk with a licensed therapist.
Holloman says Chris 180 has turned his life around.
I haven't had symptoms of schizophrenia for over a year now. I haven't heard voices in over a year now. I haven't seen or heard things in over a year now.
And Holloman is now back in college and studying business technology. And Elise, I think it's just been really critical for him. He doesn't drive, so it's on the MARTA path. And Chris 180 actually has facilities in 3 different counties.
Wow.
So they have multiple centers helping, so usually one in almost every community.
Pretty incredible to see the difference it's making. I mean, hearing him talk about it,
yeah,
it's powerful.
And having not heard any voices for a year, that's
For
amazing.
Sure. All right, Beth, thank you.